Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Canadian Traveler here on YouTube. As you can see, I'm in my truck, and I did post some videos in the past of being in the truck. Thought it'd be kind of fun to show you how I cook food sometimes. So I actually got a Christmas present this year. It's this cool looking little pot here. It's got two switches, either hot or very hot. I'm going to try to cook some hamburger helper. I've never done this in the truck before. We got hamburger helper here. If you're not familiar with hamburger helper, it's basically pasta sauce, and hamburger. So right now, one of the things in the recipe is it calls for hot water. So I kind of already started, and in the microwave, I'm heating up some water. I'm just doing that step first. You know, I got to ground the beef, but I don't know if the microwave can handle both the pot and the microwave being on at the same time. So as soon as the microwave's done, I'm going to start browning the meat, and I'll show you how I do it. And hopefully it works out, because like I say, I've never done this. Usually the meals I have at work are frozen, pre-cooked meals that the Filipina Traveler has cooked for me, and we've frozen them, and then I thaw them out with the day I'm going to eat them, and I heat them up in the microwave. But with this pot, I thought it'd be kind of fun to try cooking something on my own. So I hope it turns out. So I've got my handy little pot here, and I've got some ground beef ready to go in, the hamburger helper, and I've got stuff to stir, scoop, and hopefully this will turn out good. Still waiting for the water to heat up here. So the microwave's all done, and I'm all ready to heat this up. I've got the ground beef in here, and I'm going to put it on the lowest of the heat, if I can do it without sliding. Okay, heat's on. Got the lid. Even got this cool steaming attachment, so I could, you know, if I had any, right, but I don't have any right now, but I could steam vegetables or whatever. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. So slowly, it's starting to brown. I had to turn up the heat, actually. I found the low heat a little bit too low. So we continue. Now, the only thing that worries me is I know that this isn't a very big pot, and this is going to be a tight fit. So hopefully it works. We'll see. So in the hamburger helper, you get a package of sauce, like a powder sauce mix, and there's the pasta. And that's all going to end up in here. Throw that in there. It's not the classiest way to cook it, but throw that in there. This is going to be really tight because I still got to add water. But we'll do the best we can. Maybe it'll be thicker than it's supposed to be. Wow. A little bit of water spillage here, but I'll clean that up. So water's cleaned up. Just got to give it a stir. Can't do that with the camera on, so I'll just give it a stir, and then we'll see what happens next. Okay, so I stirred it. I'm going to put it back on high heat. Get my finger out of the way. There we go. I'm going to get it to boil, and then then we simmer it for a little while. And then hopefully after that, we have ourselves a nice tasty supper. We'll see how it goes. I keep saying that. I'll try not to. So I just gave it a little stir. Because of the size of the pot, I probably didn't add enough water. So it's going to be a little thicker than it's supposed to, but that's fine. It'll still taste good. So then on top of it, I got a container, and you can see it's stained. That's from a lot of tomato sauce. That's what I if I'm cooking something like noodles or something, I put it in there, and that's what I eat out of. So I'm gonna have my supper here shortly. I've got my iPad so I could watch a movie. Dinner and a movie. Classy living. So there we have it. Hamburger helper, start to finish. Cooked in a truck. Never done it before. I mean, I've cooked hamburger helper, just not in a truck. But that's what it looks like. Ground beef, noodles, and sauce. So thank you for watching, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know when we posted a new video. And if you like this video, give it a click. For now, I'm gonna go eat, and we'll see you the next time around.